the highly anticipated successor to the iPad. Mini 6 has been swirling in rumor mills for some time, with several leaks hinting at what Apple might have in store for its next compact tablet. One of the most significant leaks regarding the device's design and display comes from reports suggesting that the form factor will remain almost identical to its predecessor. The key takeaway here is that while the external design might stay the same, the display itself will see some notable improvements. One of the most prominent issues with the previous model was the infamous jelly scroll effect, which caused some uneven scrolling while navigating. This issue, dubbed the jelly scroll gate, was first spotted back in 2021, but seems to have been mostly forgotten over time. The good news is that Apple is expected to address this in the latest version with new LCD technology. As 9 to 5 Mac mentions, this improvement will eliminate the problem, creating a more seamless and fluid user experience. In terms of internal performance, several leaks suggest substantial upgrades. According to Mac rumors, there's a strong possibility that the device will be powered by either the A17 Pro chip, which is currently used in the iPhone 15 Pro models, or potentially the A18 chip, bringing it in line with future releases like the iPhone 16. This would give the tablet a serious performance boost, making it suitable for multitasking, gaming, and even creative work like drawing or video editing. Additionally, Apple may even consider incorporating the M1 chip, currently seen in iPad Pros and the MacBook Air, though this seems less likely due to positioning and cost concerns. According to 90U5 Mac, storage options are also expected to improve, with the base model potentially moving from 64GB to 128GB. Another exciting leak by Mac rumors is the expected inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E support, offering faster and more reliable internet connections, especially in areas where multiple devices are competing for bandwidth. This upgrade comes alongside the introduction of Bluetooth 5.3. While the device will continue to use USB-C for charging, it's expected to support faster charging rates, potentially reaching up to 30 watts. Although MagSafe charging will not be integrated into the design, this faster charging will allow users to top up their devices more quickly, which is a welcome improvement. According to the latest leaks from MacRumors, the iPad Mini 7 might see significant camera enhancements, including the relocation of the front-facing camera to the landscape edge, similar to the recent iPad Air design. This adjustment is expected to enhance the video calling experience, especially during landscape use. Additionally, the camera may receive notable upgrades such as HDR4 support and a wider aperture, potentially improving photo and video quality. One of the more fun leaks surrounding the new model is the introduction of new colors. According to recent leaks shared by Mac rumors, the upcoming iPad Mini 7 may feature a revamped color lineup. While the current model is available in space gray, starlight, pink, and purple, sources suggest that the new iPad Mini could adopt a color palette similar to the iPad Air. This change might introduce blue to the lineup, while pink could be dropped from the selection. However, despite the aesthetic additions, there will still be limitations regarding accessories. For instance, Apple is unlikely to release a dedicated keyboard for this model, as it lacks the smart connector needed for such peripherals. Users must rely on third-party Bluetooth keyboards if they wish to use the tablet for extended typing sessions. On a positive note, the tablet will still support the second-generation Apple Pencil, continuing to be a favorite for artists, note-takers, and other creative users. As far as the release date goes, it's expected to be officially announced on October 28th during Apple's fall event, with devices hitting the shelves in early November. Pricing is still speculative, but it's likely to remain within the same range as the previous model. meaning the base version could start at around $500, with higher prices for models that offer more storage or cellular capabilities. Are you excited about these updates? Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update on this upcoming device.